Wow. Hello. Hello. Hey, learn from it. Learn from the beautiful nature, what is, unbelievable. See the clouds, see the mountains, see the greeny lands, see your window, see houses, see trees, see the street. What hits different is actually sometimes it's infinite, sometimes it's limited. When you think about infinity, then probably you want to be like the infinite green lands, mountains, and clouds. So learn from nature. Don't be like fearful with your criticism like many people make with you. But just be infinite, like green lands and mountains or clouds that never ever tried about this thing and never ever think about this thing. So just keep on your way and be like nature. Right now, I'm in Jefflong in Saled, and it concludes a beautiful environment. So I'm going to the fountains probably. So it is the street view. Well, this is not my car. Actually, it is my uncle's reserve car. We take it for. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been working on your spoken English, you might have noticed that your accent can make a big difference in how easily others understand you. In today's video, I'll share some simple and effective tips to help you improve your English accent to sound like an British or American. Let's get started. Many people commented in my video that how do you improve your accent? Well, probably tip 1, listen to native speakers. One of the best ways to improve your accent is by listening to native speakers, whether it's through movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos. Hearing how native speakers pronounce words will help you understand rhythm and flow of the language. Tip bonus. Try to mimic the way they speak, paying attention to the sounds and natural speed at which they talk. Tip number 2. Focus on vowel sounds. English has some tricky vowel sounds that can be hard to pronounce. For instance, the difference between set and seed or bit and bead. Listen carefully to these sounds and practice repeating them. The more you practice, the easier it will become to get them right. Tip number 3, use slow, clear speech. Don't rush when speaking. Speaking slowly and clearly allows you to focus on your pronunciation. This can help you avoid blending words or missing important sounds. Start by practicing short sentences slowly, and once you get comfortable, you can speed it up. Tip number 4, record yourself and compare. Recording yourself is a great way to track your progress. After recording, compare your speech with that of native speakers. Are there any words or sound that you are in struggle with? Tip. By doing this, you can identify areas to improve and work on them step by step. Tip number 5. Practice with tongue twisters. Let me tell you one thing. Betty Butter had some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. If I make a little butter, it'll make my butter bitter. Okay, so I don't catch a bit, but maybe I learned this tongue twister when I was younger. Peter Piper picked a pick up pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a pick up pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a pick up pickled peppers, where did Peter Piper picked a pickle, pickles pepper picked. I know I didn't get that correct, but still, tongue twisters are a fun way to improve your accent and pronunciation. Phrases like seashell, seashell, sitting by the seashore helps you to get used to your different sounds and improve your mouth movements. Try saying them slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed while maintaining clarity. Tip number 6, focus on intonation and stress. In English, the way we stress words and use intonation can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, I didn't say she stole the money. Depending on which word you stress, the meaning changes. Pay attention to your intonation patterns and practice them to sound more natural and fluent. In conclusion, improving your accent takes time, but with practice, you can make noticeable progress. Start with listening, recording yourself, and practicing the sounds that are tricky for you. Remember, the goal is to be understood clearly, so don't worry about perfection. Keep practicing and you'll sound more confident in no time. If you enjoyed this tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.